प्रधानमंत्री के साथ हुई समीक्षा बैठक के बाद पूर्वोत्तर के मुख्यमंत्रियों की प्रतिक्रिया सामने आई। मणिपुर के मुख्यमंत्री एन बीरेन सिंह ने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री शुरुआत से ही कोविड की परिस्थितियों पर नजर बनाए हुए हैं। केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से राज्य सरकार को भरपूर सहायता मिल रही है। समीक्षा बैठक में घर घर जाकर टेस्टिंग करने की बात कही गई है। वैक्सीनेशन की प्रक्रिया भी और तेज की जाएगी।
Honorable Prime Minister is monitoring the COVID situation since the beginning, in the last 1.5 years. And they have provided many health-related items also. Just we did not have any kind of oxygen plant, but now we have at least 8, and we are going to establish more. So, Honorable Prime Minister was listening about the shortage what we have. So I narrated everything. We have started house to house testings, and we have started mass vaccination, and the vaccination rate has come up to from 5,000 to 30,000 per day. And he assured that whatever the requirement, the center will provide and help to the Manipur and particularly and entire Northeast.
और वहीं मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड संगमा ने कहा कि 2 घंटों की इस बैठक में बारीकी से सभी पहलुओं पर बात की गई। मेघालय में सितंबर के अंत तक या अक्टूबर के शुरुआती सप्ताह में सभी लोगों का वैक्सीनेशन संपूर्ण किया जाएगा।
In the 2-hour-long meeting, detailed presentation was given by the officials of Government of India, the Health Department, on the current status of positivity rate, as well as the vaccination and other factors and data related to COVID for the Northeast region and different states in detail. During the meeting, the different chief ministers of the state presented their status and the report of their state. Accordingly, when it came the turn for Meghalaya, I mentioned about the fact that the COVID wave is something that we have seen in the past also hits the Northeast after the rest of the country. So therefore, this was something that was in expected lines in one way. It gave us the time to also prepare in terms of our infrastructure and oxygen supply and other factors. And we are seeing that we are at a point where things are plateauing now. We have seen a steady decline, but the decline has not been at the rate that we anticipated, and maybe because of the fact that we have a lot of scattered population. In the dense areas, we have seen the numbers come up immediately and then it went down. Next few weeks, that things should look much better than what they are today.